Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel everybody, and in today's video we have more parts for Mike's GR86. On our last exhaust video, which will be linked up here in the corner, we had somebody comment, Carson Brummel 4715 commented, headers and less camera movement. So the thing is like, less camera movement is never gonna happen. Shaky cam is always going to be a thing on this channel. I commented back to Carson. I said, if we get headers, are you going to come back and watch the video? He said, at Nemtech Racing, if you get headers and give me more sound clips of wide open throttle, he'll come back and watch every single video that we make with Mike's 86. So Carson, this video is for you. Today, we have brand new Spicy Boy Tomei equal length headers, and we're going to be installing them. And then we're gonna tune it, and then we're gonna give Carson the wide open throttle that he asked for. So stay tuned. Let's go. 3 pipes. We got the header, we have a little subframe crossover pipe, and then we have a front pipe that we gotta replace. We're gonna go pretty loud with this one. I think the HKS catback that we did last time is decent, but now we're gonna get some of those pops. And a little bit more like that. Over the past weekend, I kind of tweaked my back, so I'm not going to be lifting or doing any heavy lifting that much. We got a step-in mechanic for Mike. Last time, this is Connor, everybody. Wish Connor a happy birthday in the comments. His birthday was like 3 months ago. But, pretty easy install. We're going to run through it quick. There's 3 bolts on each side of the header. 1, 2, 3, kind of in a triangle pattern. 1, 2, 3 over here. You have 2 O2 sensors, 1 over here and 1 back here. This crossover pipe has a 2-bolt flange up here and a 2-bolt flange kind of tucked up in there. And then the mid pipe is pretty easy. We kind of took it almost all the way off when we did the catback. Should be a pretty quick install, so we'll get it over with and we'll go from there. Shoo. Alrighty, so we got the front pipe off, as you can see, you know, the gaping hole. This is what we like to call kind of the overpipe. It spans from the headers up front over the subframe, comes out back here. It is a tight fit in there, so what we're using is a fancy transmission jack. Right in the oil pan, a couple pieces of wood. We got to take the engine mounts off, zerp here and zerp here. Lift up the engine like, I don't know, 2 inches. Wow! So we got the old exhaust off. We swapped over the 2 O2 sensors. We're all good to go. On this channel, we like to recycle, so we're gonna use the same exhaust gaskets. My guy Connor over here is gonna hold it up, and I'm gonna frickin' plop her in. Awesome. All right, so we got everything kind of fitted up. It's not tightened yet. There was a couple things that we noticed. First of all, we didn't find the fact that Tomei sent us all new gaskets and all new hardware until probably like halfway through the install. But whatever, who cares? The overpipe, the Tomei overpipe, which goes from kind of the headers to this mid pipe or up front pipe, whatever you want to call it, was a pretty weird install. It came with 2 studs that you have to put nuts on from both sides, but it fits pretty decent from what we have seen. The side of this part with the Tomei pipe was threaded, so it kind of freaked us out because they sent us 6 bolts and 4 nuts. Normally that means we're missing something, but in this case, the pipe itself was threaded, which is kind of weird. Haven't really seen that before, but high quality is high quality. The front pipe, I think, was made by a company called Remark. Decent fitment, could be a smidge longer on the overpipe side, but other than that, it fit up decent to the HKS, which is all we can ask for. We are going to bolt it together, lower the car down, give her the first start, see what she sounds like. It's finally time to take the frickin' sticker off, bro. Oh, yeah. It's like getting a new iPhone, dude. Yes. Whew. Nice. So we're done with the install. 2 things you gotta remember. Plug in your O2 sensors once you get back up to the top. Another thing, make sure you put those engine mount nuts back in if you guys ever do this, because I'm gonna be honest, I almost forgot. But Connor's gonna give us the first startup. Are you ready there, guy? Yeah. All right, here we go.
That's what's up.
Connor's having a good time.
Yikes. That is that's a little loud. Yeah, I think Mike will be pleasantly surprised. This video is also going to continue till tomorrow when we're actually going to get the car tuned, and that's when we will give you guys the full throttle, wide open clips. Hopefully, we'll get a couple poppy boys out of there, get a couple flames going. But we will see you guys tomorrow at the dyno. Peace. Alrighty, guys. So we're back with the 86 on the dyno. Mr. David is in here working his magic, getting all the beep boops and bop boops out. We got the nice HKS exhaust sticker. Whew. If you guys hear a little bit of noise in the background, don't mind that. We're just getting some blacktop laid. We got a couple fixie spots. Got a couple fixie spots over there. So just in case you're wondering, that's what the noise, you guys can't see me. Just in case you're wondering, that's what the noise is in the background. We've done a couple dyno runs this morning already, and we didn't make that much gain on big power. We started off at 221, this is without the headers, and then we went to 222 and 224 with the headers. What we really picked up though was the torque. You picked up about, 15, 16, 17 torque, depending on how you want to look at it. You can kind of see that torque band is up in here. Low end torque definitely helped pick up. And then right in this mid area, we don't really have a drop off anymore, which is sweet. Right now, we're trying to make a couple poppy boy bangs, poop pop, tee pop pop, pop pop. Try to be a BMW guy. What are your thoughts, Dave? I see you're nodding at me over here.
BMW or Volkswagen guy.
Ta-ta, ta-ta.
370Z.
We're gonna give it 1 or 2 more shots. We're gonna try and get some poppy boys, some bang pops. We also are gonna see if we can get this header down here. I don't know if you guys can see it down there. Nice fancy new boy. We're gonna see if we can get it glowing hot. Get it glowing red a little bit. Oh, look at it. Mikey Mike. Mikey Mike. Mikey Mike is texting me. Look at this guy. Don't worry, I'm wearing ear protection and everything. Hey, look who showed up. Look who showed up. Look at this guy show up. Look at this guy showed up over here. Just in time for him to be disappointed.
feel loud in here.
I was standing in the corner. The concussion from it was like insane. Boom. Yeah, you're feeling it. Feeling it.
Alrighty guys, so we got the car off the dyno, and it does indeed make some pops and some bangs, as you guys probably saw. We brought the car over here, we got the white wheels back on rather than the black stock ones, and now it is time to go have some fun. So that's what we're gonna do. Choom. Our fun ended a little early. We actually not popped, but close to popping both the rear tires. So I think that'll end it. If you guys liked the video, make sure you go down below, hit the subscribe button. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you have any questions, go down below, leave them in the comments. And that's it. We'll see you guys next time.